Hi everyone, Serrano here with another devlog for Outcasts of the Shrouded Seas. So as you can see, I'm now testing it in full screen mode. And we'll go into our display settings and start display to 1920 by 1080. So I can display everything better. And as you can see, we now have resolution, windowed mode, FPS limit, so we can set that to 30, 60, 120 frames per second or unlimited. And we can also switch displays. We'll keep it on MSI for now, just because that's the one that's being captured. Graphics settings still are there as they were before. Randomizer settings are now ready to go. They don't actually affect anything yet, but they are saving and loading so that as I add things that are randomized, it will be easy to automatically just set them up with flags and it will automatically do its thing. Our accessibility settings, right now I have subtitles, subtitle language, dyslexic mode, and colorblind mode. You see all these label lows, that's just keeping the templating up just in case I think of more at a later date, because this is a menu that I'm going to be expanding for sure. Display settings I already looked at. Gameplay settings. We have enemy health, enemy resistance. So that's armor and absorption, enemy damage, and enemy behavior. Like we can play with those. To make sure that we have the game at a difficulty level that the user wants. Default is going to be as the game is designed, but of course, nobody people want to create their own experience, and that's what this is for. Audio settings, we have master volume, music volume, sound effects volume, and voice volume. I am possibly going to add VoIP volume here if we end up doing server-side stuff. Well, not even server-side stuff, but just like peer-to-peer. And we'll also... I should make this say voice line volume, so then being clear that this is for characters speaking if I get to that point in dev cycle, because it could just be that I'm using subtitles for everything and then it doesn't matter. And then moving on to controls, we have oh great, it broke. I'm gonna fix this and I'll show it working properly in the video. For some reason it's showing gamepad on keyboard. I'm not sure why that is exactly, but this is all working properly. Yeah, so we can invert the camera y-axis, we can adjust the field of view anywhere between 70 degrees and 120 degrees. We also have camera sensitivity, and this is a percentage. I guess I should display that, but this goes from 100% to 200% sensitivity, and then down to 10% sensitivity. So there is definitely a range there. And yeah, this is still under construction. All the other screens are finished. And then once I finish the settings menus, the new character screen will be next. But right now, it's still a new game that works to get us into the game itself. And we'll go pick up our saber. And we've got a new fire effect here. So just going through, we've got Divine Flame, Regular Flame, Blood Flame, Hellfire, Death Flame, sorry. Ghost Flame, Death Flame, Eternal Fire, and Illusory Fire. And Illusory Fire is the only one that doesn't do anything. It's just an effect. Well, I shouldn't say it doesn't do anything. It doesn't apply a status effect and it doesn't deal damage. But it allows for see invisibility and stuff like that. And then we have this orb that I created. The material on this is just meant to be for navigation stones, which will be much smaller and just an item in your inventory that acts like a GPS to the next location. But I need to play with the material a bit before it's ready, so that's what this orb is here for. And yeah, that's everything I have right now. It's possible that you'll see more stuff before the video ends, because I have a couple more days before the video airs, and I'm going to be working during that time to make everything a little bit better. So, yeah, that's everything for this month, and I'll see you at the end of March. Have a great one, and take care.